everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti, and if you don't know, I'm the face, the voice, and the hands behind all the content here under Infiniti Crafting Co. and behind the website InfinitiCraftingCompany.com. Today I am here with Channel Chat 116. As promised, it is a check-in for Shark Week. This week has been almost horribly busy for me. I started the challenge on Tuesday night, and then since then I have been swatching and swatching and swatching and swatching in preparation for my tutorial uploads resuming this weekend. So if you're looking for crochet and knitting tutorials and you're new here, haven't seen anything new, I'm coming back this Sunday with crochet, and then into the next week I'll get into the knitting stuff and whatnot. Also preparing for family stuff this weekend, which seems like it's gonna be crazy, but it's all gonna be good. I've made progress on my project, so no worries about that, even though I am a little worried about finishing it on time, but you know, part of the fun, right? I did, however, finish my socks. I was very happy. I put the second one through a wet blocking because I put the first one through a wet blocking, and so I look forward to wearing these at some point during the colder months because these are made out of a wool blend. And it's a discontinued yarn, which, you know, has been a trend for me for the last 3 years. So, yeah, I had enough to finish my socks. Yay! So these are going to go on the shelf somewhere at some point. I got stuff to do. Gotta package up yarn bowls that need to go out and get them to their new homes. I'm so excited about that also. Okay, so with this project that I'm working on, you guys know I'm working on my water bottle holder. It's Jaws themed, at least in my mind it is, and this is how the bottom turned out on it the other day, and then this is how the body's coming along. So I don't know, I was thinking something along the lines of like deep blue sea, and then it eventually transitions to light. I think that the variations in the spikes are really kind of cool. So, and that was the ultimate goal of this, right? To make something that was like really, really cool looking. So it started here at the bottom where I was like, okay, I should put spike stitches into the actual base of the thing. And I was a little worried at first that this would make it maybe not as strong at the bottom, but that doesn't seem to be the case. So maybe in the future when I feel artistic, I'll incorporate that into the original pattern a little bit in my own making time. I've been having fun with doing the variations on the body with these different levels of spike stitching, but boy, can I say it has confused the heck out of me a little bit, because while I'm keeping the same row count, the spikes are usually indicators for me to change sections, and considering I started spiking in the middle of certain sections, I was just like, oh my gosh, so I've actually had to go back and count my rows of single crochet. So that's been different, but overall I like the effect of it, and I can't wait to be able to use this one. I think I'm going to keep this one, and when I get around to the smaller one, then that one will go up in the shop. But if I put my water bottle into it, I'm making good headway. So what I'm thinking today will entail is not only continuing my swatching for my tutorials, I think while I'm editing these different videos and whatnot, I'll just be able to work on this thing and make decent progress and finish the body today. So it looks like, let me see. It's like, so each section is supposed to be about like that, so it looks like all I need to really do is this last section in this light blue color, which is pretty cool. It's not what I expected, but that's part of the fun of kind of designing things as you go along. So that sounds doable, and I think I'll finish it off, the finishing row with red. I don't think I have the other one over here anymore, but I think I'll do that reverse single crochet row in the red. Kind of looks like blood on the water. I've been slacking on posting my progress pictures, both in the Telegram group and on Instagram. I've just been busy and swamped, and yesterday I was I was exhausted for some reason. I didn't get much done. I came over here, I swatched like 3 crochet stitches, and then I started this 8-row repeat knitting stitch that I want to show you guys, and for whatever reason it bored the heck out of me. And so anyway, I finished my day off by getting into my bed and reading for a couple hours, and that brought me back to life a little bit. So I feel all refreshed today, so it's gonna be a fun being on camera kind of day for me, slash editing the video kind of things for me. So what I'm thinking is hopefully Saturday night I can get to the strap, if I don't start the strap tonight, to be honest, because I feel like I am so behind. Some people have worked super fast and just gotten it out the way, but you know, it hasn't been me this time. Usually I crochet really fast, but not this time. I don't feel so bad about choosing this project now. Speaking of this project, I was kind of thinking about it, and I'm like, okay, I have room where I could add this in to Hey Crafterpreneur, which, if you guys don't know, is my members only section. I'm thinking about adding this pattern and the video tutorial to those posts maybe this month or at the beginning of August. You guys can let me know in the comments below if you want to see this behind the members wall, and I will most definitely put it there. Otherwise I'll probably go up later on in August. That's kind of it for the day. I'll be taking more progress pictures of this particular water bottle holder and putting them up on Instagram probably later tonight also, while I'm just up doing my thing. If you guys want another live stream at some point, you'll have to let me know. Otherwise, I don't know when I have the next live stream planned out, or even what I should cover on that live stream. So if you guys have ideas or anything you want me to chat about during a live stream, then feel free to leave your 2 cents in the comments below. I'm going to go back off into the void of crafting for today. I hope you enjoyed this little mini channel chat, and until next time guys, happy making.